Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this teeth whitening filter on TikTok. So this is my teeth. Okay, this is After Effect. So this is the teeth whitening filter. To get this filter on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, you should see this filter on trending section. Okay, remember this image, this is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button. Okay, here search for teeth whitening. Okay, lots of effects are there, you can use any, but we are going to use this one, tooth whitening with 14.3 million videos. Okay, got the white teeth. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for teeth whitening filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you can't see the effect icons here, you can tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this teeth whitening filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.